Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on some of the largest road projects on the way in Jamaica. Now the government has 6 massive road projects. You could call them mega projects involving the roads in Jamaica. Now while the community roads and the main roads are terrible, a lot of potholes, a lot of damage. The highways in Jamaica are of a first world quality. They are well maintained because they charge toll and the toll goes towards the maintenance. So when you drive on these roads, it's as if you're driving in a first world country. So we are going to give you an update on 6 of these projects. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this project is running at US 320 million and it's going to build a highway from Harborview in Kingston to Port Antonio in Portland. Massive development. We have lots of videos up. So from Harborview to Yalos, the highway is 4 lanes, just like the Highway 2000, the toll roads that go to Mandeville and Ocho Rios, 4 lanes. And then from Yalos to Port Antonio, it's 2 lanes. And the government actually announced that they are going to be building 4 lanes from Yalos to Portland. But we'll talk about that one in another video. So for now, it's 4 lanes to Yalos and 2 lanes from Yalos to Port Antonio. So that project is well on the way and should finish early next year. Of course, the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. Now, the second project we're going to talk about is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. And that one is in Montego Bay and it's US 225 million. So this one is going to build a road around Montego Bay so that to help with the traffic. So basically like a circle, and it involves connecting to the incoming highway. Some sections of it is going to be a toll road. Now another major project that the government has announced, but it hasn't started yet, is the Lucy Bypass Road in Hanover. Now that one is going to be a massive development. It's going to build a 4-lane highway from Montego Bay through Lucy, and that would take it through Hanover. And between Montego Bay and Negril is a major tourist corridor. And the town of Lucy, we have videos up. It's old, the roads are congested, so it takes a very long time to get through Lucy, so it holds up traffic. So they are building a massive highway, and the Long Hill Bypass is going to be a part of this project. I'm not sure if it's a Lucy project. No, it will be a part of the Perimeter Road project. So the Western Jamaica is getting 2 major highways. One going around Montego Bay, the other one taking you from Montego Bay to Lucy. That's 3. Number 4 will be Highway 2000 North-South leg. That's a highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now, more specifically, Kingston to Miami Bay. That highway is built. It's a toll road. Of course, it was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. That highway is going to be extended from Miami Bay to Trelawney. And that project hasn't started yet, but plans are well advanced for that project. Number 5 is building the Highway 2000. Wait, let me go back. That highway is going to be a toll road. It's an extension of the toll road from Kingston to Ocho Rios. It's now going to go from Kingston to Trelawney. Now the other project, number 5, is Highway 2000 East-West leg. and that is taking the highway from Kingston. The highway currently goes from Kingston to Mandeville. It's going to take the highway from Mandeville to Negril. They are working on a section from Mandeville to Black River, St. Elizabeth. That section, they're working on the planning stage now, and then after that section is finished, they'll do the other section to Negril. And number 6 is actually the same highway, but when the highway goes from Highway 2000 east-west leg, reaches St. Elizabeth, a section is going to go from St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. So that's going to be a mega development down there. So when it comes on to the toll roads and the highways, they are well maintained and they are being expanded. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Let us know what you think about these developments. Alright guys, have a good day.